Hi guys, now I'm doing Sreshta office tour, which is in Guntur, the corporate office from where your all material works, everything will be done from this particular office. We have at Chennai one office again, classroom is there, and in Guntur, corporate office is there right now, what I'm showing you here. And we also have a classroom in Guntur as well, and we also have something called warehouse where all the books will be dispatched from the warehouse. Fine, let me minimize myself and then show you like exactly what this rest office looks like. So this is the entry hall. This is actually one flat in the apartment, and in this apartment we have two flats. One is for my residence, another one is for our office. So here four staff members work. So material works from here, it will be happening, and from Chennai also some three more staff were there. So they'll also be doing material work from Chennai. This is one lobby which I just kept it, like if some visitors come, so we just sit here and then talk. And I'll show you my cabin also. Now my cabin will be very messy completely. This is the kitchen for the staff. Like here they just prepare coffee, all that. Then I recently modified one of the room into my gym room. You can see this. This is small gym room. Just I have some two dumbbells and one bench is there. A basic exercise I do because when I'm away from Chennai, predominantly I stay in Chennai. So when I'm away from Chennai, when I'm in Guntur, some daily some 15-20 minutes I'll be doing gym at home itself, just so that the muscle whatever I gain, no, I will not lose it. And yeah, now coming to this is my cabin. This is my cabin where I sit and work whenever I'm in Guntur. And this is a monitor. Primarily this is the one which I work. This is my laptop, and this is for my recording laptop. Okay, and this is just like whenever we are discussing with our employees, when they'll be sitting, they can't peep into this monitor, right? So the TV, they'll be watching whatever I'm just talking on the TV. So this is my cabin. Don't think wrong, like this is completely messy. So my table is always messy because so many things will be there. Since recording setup is there, it will be messy. And here my kids cars, their car and bike, all this is here. And by the way, this is our Guntur office, and we also have in Chennai one office. Maybe soon I'll do Chennai office tour and Chennai classroom tour also. So and one I want to show one more thing. You see here all the books that we did in the past 1 year. All the books that we did in the past 1 year. Look at the volume of the books that we did in the past, not even 1 year, guys. In the past 10 months, you see, this is my income tax, new question bank. I think I already made a video. This you see, for example, Sai Babu sir, color question bank CA inch. And this, Shubham sir has recently launched his edition 6 book, which is amazing book. You know it already. I think a majority of you would have know it already. And you see this Ganesh sir, CMA Inter, costing question bank. And this is again, you see CMA Inter Sai Babu sir again. This is again, question bank. Like you see, all these books are colored books. CA Inter, all the subjects, concepts books are colored books. Question banks are colored books, and now version 26 also coming. So literally in the past 10 months, no, I worked very hard. I can very clearly tell you, honestly I'm telling you, I worked extreme hard in the past 10 months. Maybe in between 2 to 3 months I am on break. 3 months I'm on break, and out of in the past 12 months, if I take even including the December month, if I have to calculate, out of 12 months, some 3 months I took break after my daughter was born. Rest 9 months, every day on an average I worked for 9 hours to 14 hours. There are days where I worked 14 hours. By the way, I'm doing this video on 9th December. Even right now, the time is, you can see, it is almost 9 o'clock. It is almost 9 o'clock, and I'm still working. I'm still in the office. My wife and kids were there in Chennai. I have a class I have income tax class in Guntur going on, right? Daily 5 hours class. From 11th December, daily 10 hours class. I'm taking 10 hours class every day. So literally it is a complete extreme hard work, guys. Literally extreme hard work. And something what I realized in the past 10 months is, earlier the version which you are looking at me right now is not me earlier. The earlier version of me is like who thinks less is more, in the sense working less itself is more blissful. But right now, working more, I still feel less. I still feel less when I'm working more. I don't know what happened. 2025, 2024, I moved to Chennai. Okay, predominantly I stay in Chennai. In a year, I can say 10 to 11 months I stay only in Chennai. Only 1 month, once in a month in a year, I'll come to Guntur, where I stay some 15, 20 days completely. So predominantly I stay in Chennai. I don't know what happens when I come to Chennai. My energy levels, everything is different. The way I think, I don't know what link I had with Chennai. I don't know. Chennai is the place which transformed me right from my articleship. So literally, literally, I owe a lot to Chennai and Tamil Nadu, because even the people of Tamil Nadu owned me like anything. Like they owned me like anything. Like they treat like their own family member. And what I realized in the past 10 months when I'm working on all these materials, transforming the Shrestha Academy, where we wanted to provide fantastic resources to the students, where they should not look at any other academy, they should not look at any other, they don't have to worry about multiple, like they don't have to look at multiple academies, multiple faculties for the same subject, but they want MCQ book, because same academy, same faculty is not giving all the resources. But we wanted to become one such option where all the resources, be it MCQ book, be it question bank, be it concept notes, everything at a one stop, we just want to stand as a solution. And then I decided this particular decision December last week of 2024. I'm sure I remember that. January first week onwards, I started working on. The first thing I released is income tax goat notes. Income tax goat notes I released, the first thing. Then I immediately released audit goat notes. And then I released CA final audit goat notes. Then question banks I released. Now then, with respect to question bank, a lot of duplications are involved with respect to all the three subjects duplications. Now we eliminated all the duplications, and now we made even the question bank super refined. So literally I have another 6 months of the same schedule which I'm doing right now. 12-14 hours of work I'm doing right now. Another 6 months I have to work like this only, probably up to April end. Maybe I can say 5 months. Up to April end, my schedule is going to be like this. So when I am working 12-14 hours, even after qualifying, after 10 years of my CA, it's my 11th year. I did my CA 2015, I qualified. Now 2025 over already, 26 if we are entering. It's my 11th year. In another 6 months, I'll be entering into my 12th year. And I'm earning really good amount of money. In spite of it, I'm working 12-14 hours. And what is stopping you? There are many CA students and CMS students who are regularly complaining, who are continuously complaining, sir, I'm unable to focus more than 7-8 hours. It's not. You can absolutely focus just to that. You are unable to see the vision. You're unable to see how exactly you're going to transform if you're working now. Right now, I had a vision. 2027, where I wanted to be. 2029, where I wanted to be. Okay. Next 3 years, I have an agenda. And since I'm able to see my vision, every day when I work, that motivates me, because I'm nearing to it. And you know what? Just I showed you how many materials we did. Generally, any other academy takes 2 to 3 years of time to make that many materials, but we did within 10 months of time, only because we decided we have to do it within 10 months. We decided 1 year, Jan 25, we decided strongly, 1 year, we should have all the levels of CA, we should have all the levels of CMA, at least inter and final level, all the subjects colored books, all the question bank colored books, that too, the concept has to be delivered so strongly. So we decided, we took that oath, and we put a timeline of actually 7-8 months only, but we are somehow able to do it 10-11 months. If at all we think like anybody else, like okay, 2-3 years it will take time just like anybody else, so we also work for 2-3 years of time, it would have never completed by this time. We would have not even finished 50% of the work what we targeted by this time. But now you see, we completed entire work only because the deadline is very, like we fixed a very short deadline. So the same thing happens in your life also. Fix a shorter deadline. You will really do much faster than you'll be ahead of so many other people. Like the journey at which the speed at which you travel completely changes compared to others. So have a shorter deadline, not longer deadline. That's it. And I hope you enjoyed whatever the thing I showed in the video and whatever I spoke in the video. Just comment below, and any other motivation video or something that you're expecting from me, or financial planning video that you're expecting from me, just comment below. I will try my level best to give it. Okay, that's it. Thank you. All the very best.